Registering with the GP and interpreting services. Hello, my name's Dan and I coordinate the Into the Mainstream Health project at Nottingham and Nottinghamshire Refugee Forum. It's my job to help new arrivals access health services. I want to talk to you about how to register with a GP and interpreting services in primary care. Registering with a GP. 1 in 7 people living in the UK was born in another country. The NHS cares for all people in the UK, no matter where they're from or their immigration status. Some asylum seekers and refugees are scared of accessing the healthcare provided in the UK. Everyone in the UK, no matter their immigration status, country of origin or race, is entitled to register with a GP and access their care for free. To get the most from the NHS, it is essential that you are registered with a local GP. When registering, you should not be discriminated against on the grounds of age, disability, gender, race, religion, sex or sexual orientation, pregnancy or marital status. Most GPs only register people in their local area, so you will need to find a GP close to where you live. To register, please go to the reception desk of a local GP surgery. You will be asked to complete a form called a GMS1 form, and often the surgery's own new patient forms. You may be asked to provide photo ID and proof of address. However, you should not be denied registration if you are unable to provide these documents. This applies to everyone, including asylum seekers, refugees, homeless and overseas visitors. If you are homeless, you can provide a temporary address, such as a friend's address, a day centre or even the GP practice may be used. After you've completed the registration procedure, you may have to wait a few days while your documents are processed before being able to book appointments. However, if it is an emergency, you can receive treatment for up to 14 days or while you wait for registration. Interpreting services. If you do not speak English, this should not limit your ability to access the services provided by the NHS. Interpreters can be provided for all appointments in primary care, either face-to-face or on the phone. If you are registering with a GP, you can ask the receptionist to have an interpreter on the phone to help you register. When booking a face-to-face appointment with a GP or other healthcare professional, please ask for a face-to-face interpreter to be booked. If it is an urgent appointment or phone appointment, the service can be provided by phone interpreting services. Even if you are accessing healthcare outside of the GP practice, you should be able to ask for an interpreter. This is even the case when calling 111 or attending the accident and emergency department. Summary. So to summarise, everyone in the UK has the right to register with a GP, and you should not be discriminated against when doing this. Please do not let your language stop you from accessing healthcare. You must register with a GP practice that is local to where you live. Interpreters can be provided for all appointments in primary care, either face-to-face or on the phone. Thanks for watching. For more information about the NHS, watch the other videos in this series.